This is a 1942 Buick Roadmaster Sedanette. Nice color green, and the grille has been redesigned for this year, much wider. The car gives a more modern appearance than the 1941 model. And there you can see the Roadmaster logo, and that would be the way you could open the hood, I think, on this car. So of course the overhead valve straight 8. Lots of chrome on the car. You'll notice that this chrome here on the bottom, or stainless, goes from the front all the way to the back. Opening up the car, the interior is absolutely flawless. Plenty of interior room here. Very deluxe steering wheel with the horn ring, turn signal on the right hand side, and we have engine turned dash, and of course that spotlight, that was very common back in the day. And we have that wood-like trim on the windows sills there. In the back, we have that middle lights that have to do with the turn signal. A very streamlined car, and very streamlined. That's what I just said. I said it twice, huh? Very nice radio, really an Art Deco type dashboard. There were 2,475 of these Sedanettes made. Price $13.95.